what uno are going with. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm in Negril. This area is called Nampwell, and what you're seeing behind me here, this concrete structure, is where the great Curious resides. So Curious is the writer for the movies over on Richard Brown Films. If you're clueless, definitely go over there and check it out. Amazing movies, entertaining content, laugh till you drop. Now, before I tell you guys what I'm doing here, I just want to give you a little story about this concrete structure behind me. Now, I've been coming here when there was nothing here, absolutely nothing. Now, the interesting thing about that is that everything that you see erected here was erected by Curious himself. Now, you might say how people erect concrete structures all the time. But what I find fascinating is that this man do it with him hand by himself. Yes, everything we see behind me, him do it with him hand by himself. Yes, so what I'm doing down here is I'm shooting a part of that movie called, I think it's called A Piece of the Pie. Don't quote me. If I get it incorrect, I'll just put something up here so you can get the correct name. So they have me playing the Prime Minister, guys, and I'll just have you get a little peek of me in the conference center addressing the nation. Morning, Jamaica. The Prime Minister here. And I want to say I love the progress that we have been making in light of the whole COVID-19 pandemic. And I want to first elaborate on crime. I love the progress. I want to commend our Commissioner, Mr. Anderson, for the tremendous work that he has been doing with the JCF. We have been getting the guns. Crime rate has been going down. We are building back stronger. We are going to make Jamaica that place where we can raise families and do business. Officers have been out there working hard, and I want to commend every constable that is out there. Jamaica is proud of you. I stand here as a proud Jamaican and as your leader, and I want to say I'm proud of our Jamaican people. So
No, I stone dog.
No, you say that can't hold up candy. Hold it down. One boy, a part wire and a full candy. You ready there? A week,
Then that good
a red wine, you man drink red wine and I eat 2 cups of vegetable, what I eat? Vegetable?
lettuce.
Lettuce and one liquor crushed potato and say it's Sunday dinner. You know, no strength. When candy big bumper lick him so, he turn over.
You never chip for this one, you know what's turn over.
But you never candy stout.
But I'm glad you have been there with you.
But me I say,
Every
every
time
time.
candy one you might have an ask him.
Yeah, but when you eat good food, we don't talk no when you eat the lighters and I already park candy. When someone have a party and I want him, Richie, you know what's him? Richie, you know so when my party when I want to party.
Oh.
So my time when I jump like I push him and push him so.
So I'm gonna leave up.
Blood clot. The man said Joe Biden is first president with a stutter. With a stammer in stammer.
But we say half Jamaican girls be
Yeah,
the
the
vice
vice president
president.
of
You don't
America.
know that. Half Jamaican be the vice president.
You see, anybody with black, they always equate it to Jamaican. Oh, that person is Jamaican.
No, man,
Her grandmother is Jamaican.
I think our father and mother are half Jamaican.
Same thing, half Jamaican.
Filming is a whole lot of work, guys. So currently what is happening, so on that side is the writers, writers, filmmakers, actors. They're getting everyone together, you know, because it's low budget and it's not like we're using professional persons. Well, professional is kind of subjective, but we're getting everyone together to, you know, do this movie thing. But it's really time consuming, it takes a whole lot of work. Filming is a whole lot of work, guys. So we're making it happen right here. Let's go check it out.
When you're curious. Curious, come on. Curious, I'm kitchen from way down this up. Oh. Alright, Keith, you know watch it. Papa, walk around this. I'm going to go and catch a till curious stuff. Davey, what's up? Young boy, you know hide behind his face, so.
So I try to, you know.
Oh, we are doing a little. Oh, you ready? We are doing a little build up for one scene. So we are going to have one fight scene with some people that gamble and a fight over $50. So we are doing a little build up scene to that. Ready?
So a little pointer, if I may. This takes a whole lot of work, guys. Being that we don't have a set for ourselves, sometimes music is playing over there. And you know, with all the copyright licensing and all of that, sometimes persons are frustrated. But it's a bittersweet kind of thing, because even being here, like, everyone wants to be a part of it. I mean, even the youngsters, and with the whole COVID-19 lockdown, I mean, it's great, it's amazing, but it's everything amalgamates then. But we are here getting it done, right? So a part of filmmaking, guys, is that they get a wide shot, and then they get a close shot, so to make it more immersive. So that's what's happening right now. So see what I'm talking about when I say with the noise? Sometimes noise control is difficult sometimes. Another thing, you guys see the shots once, they have to be taken several times sometimes, so that also adds to a part of the difficulty. And noise control, I can't stress on noise control enough. It's really difficult when it comes to noise control. At the times they have bikes passing, and yeah, but we do have a boom mic.
We are the general. Yo, we meant to defend the door. Door not for the, you know.
So if you take your hair like this,
But me answer right now, I'm not about TV. So me left some money with mom still. So about PS, but me don't like that 20 grand there too high.
That's why me I go gamble right now so we can get even 10. Them why they don't have it for me, you know.
I soon get my 1 meter, man. I soon get my 1 meter.
Bridge of lights.
I get more than a meter.
Look more.
I'm not curious. Let me get you up to the last part.
My face is shiny because we're in the tropics and it's hot.
But I see gambling thing is not a really a good thing still, you know. Turn a workless people. You know what I'm saying? If I take you have to do it, you have to do it.
Alright, come to your
Noise control is a thing, noise control, so yeah. Yeah, Papa. No, I've always thought it, but I don't know, probably I didn't know how to express it, but everyone wants to feel love. You understand? Probably not that intense kind of love, but to feel like they're a part of something, feel a sense of purpose. And that is what is happening here. Might seem like a small thing, but it actually impacts people, you know. Persons might be having a bad day, people are frustrated. As I said, with the whole lockdown, you know, persons losing their jobs, like this might seem like a small thing, but it's actually a big thing, you know. Give people a sense of fulfillment, yeah, sense of purpose. At it again.
You go get rum, man. So far, I'm going to find rum.
Mama Chung. So everybody don't know what people eat. What's your mouth? Come get a piece of apple.
Hello. Buy the rum, man. Wait for now.
What kind of juice? Any juice?
No, brother. All right now.
Brother, what you mean? What you mean nobody with this?
Take up your money.
My miss you one in a brother.
Come here. Take up your money. How you mean?
Fuck the game to you, man.
Brother, no one are doing a youth.
You are the man who hard working money, man. You can't be, yo, if I did like me, I plan to pay that can't work. Play here. You have about 3 9 man money. I have big money already, I know, man.
Hey, Papa. Oh, you want to pussy? I feel like me.
Little insider, guys. So Richard Brown, who is filming right now, he's been shooting movies from ever since, but a little insider. So how I came to know Richard was I used to shoot weddings with this guy called Jason Barnett. We used to go to high school together, and you know, after the whole policing thing, and then he was giving me the story of what's that guy's name again? Kemar. Lexan Art. You guys go on Instagram, you can see him, and he was saying that Lexan learned from him, and Lexan does amazing work. So I want to know who Lexan got his craft from or learned his craft from. And you know, he introduced me to Richard Brown. You know, the rest is history, guys. And from ever since, I told him about YouTube. He has been doing it way before me, but he just wasn't. He didn't take it seriously, right? Until you know, we started speaking about it. You know, he started shooting, and I realized he's someone that is really passionate about it. When he's here, he's enjoying himself, obviously. And then Curious, himself and Curious, they've had a long history. And it's just amazing seeing them here working together, you know, creating this amazing thing, you know. And also, this, guys, is a reflection of what actually happens here. But when you do this now, what should I say? It's a reflection of what happens without it actually happening. Yeah, like an insider. So guys, it's go time. We have to go. Wish we could get somewhere the movie done, but you don't know Mr. Andrew Holness have him curfew pan with. Yeah, him basically I saw me just say a while ago. A reflection of what happened in here. But yeah guys, as me I say, that's a wrap for that section of it. They are not through. But because we live in Westmoreland, but we're in Negril, well, Negril, they're in Westmoreland. But we live in Savlamar, so we use public transportation because little car troubles, you know, low budget. We don't have any money right now, so we don't have our own transportation at the moment. So we have to be taking taxis, so we have to go now because there's a curfew in Westmoreland 7 p.m. and it's almost 6 o'clock now, so we got to go. So that's also another challenge, curfew. But you know, one step at a time, one day at a time.